Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the TD Bank mobile app using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app and make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Once you are on the login screen, log in using your username and password as you normally do. You need to sign in once before turning on biometric. After logging in, you will see your home screen. From the home screen, tap the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on Settings. Inside the settings, look for Security or Sign In Settings. Tap on it. Now find the option called Face ID or Touch ID depending on your iPhone model. Tap on that option, you will see a switch on it on. Your iPhone will ask for verification. If you are using Face ID, simply look at your screen. If you are using Touch ID, place your finger on the home button. Once verified, biometric login will be successfully enabled. From now on, when you open the TD Bank app, you can log in instantly using Face ID or Touch ID. And that's it. You have successfully enabled biometric login on the TD Bank app using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.